Hello friends, welcome once again to our YouTube channel Target GPED, the steer of success. My name is Rahul and in this video we are going to discuss next 35 question of microbiology. This is the part 2. In part 1 we have already discussed first 35 question of the topic history of microbiology. If you haven't watched this part 8, watch that part after this video too. I will put that in the end screen, so watch the video till the end. So let's start the part 2 of history of microbiology. Friends, I have a cold, so maybe my voice will be a bit hoarse, so don't mind it, please. So the first question is, a mutation that produces termination codon is options: missense mutation, neutral mutation, nonsense mutation, and reverse mutation. So correct answer of this question is the mutation which is nonsense mutation that produce termination codon. Question number 37. During conjunction, the genetic material will be transferred through options: cell wall, medium, pili, and capsule. So correct answer is C. During conjunction, the genetic material will be transferred through pili. Okay, let's see question number 38. Antiseptic surgery was discovered by Joseph Lister, Ernest Abbé Pasteur, and Weijering. So, correct answer, antiseptic surgery was discovered by Joseph Lister. Okay. Tuberculosis is a waterborne disease, airborne disease, foodborne disease, or arthropod-borne disease. So the correct answer, tuberculosis is the airborne disease. Phagocytic phenomena was discovered by Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, and Metchnikoff or Robert Koch. So correct answer is phagocytic phenomena was discovered by Metchnikoff. Okay, Metchnikoff. Mesosomes are also known as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, plasmid, or chondroids. So, correct answer for this, mesosomes are also known as chondroids. D is the correct. Hybridoma technique was first discovered by Kohler and Milstein and Robert Koch, D. Harrele, and Len Steiner. So, correct answer is hybridoma technique was first discovered by Kohler and Milstein. The minimum number of bacteria required to produce clinical evidence of death in a susceptible animal under standard condition is called LD50, ID, MLD, or all of these. So the correct answer is for the minimum number of bacteria required to produce clinical evidence of death in a susceptible animal under standard condition is called minimum lethal dose, MLD. Question number 44. In electron microscope, source of electrons is from mercury lamp, tungsten metal, both A and B, and none of these. So correct answer is in electron microscope, tungsten metal is the source of electrons. Griffith 1928 reported the phenomena of transformation first in H. influenzae, Bacillus species, pneumococci, or E. coli. So the correct answer for question number 45, which is Griffith 28 reported the phenomena of transformation first in pneumococci. The resolution power of the compound microscope is 0.2 micron, 0.2 millimeter, and 0.2 angstrom units, or 0.2 centimeter. So the correct answer is the resolution power of compound microscope is 0.2 micron. The capacity of given strain of microbial species to produce disease is known as pathogen, virulence, infection, and none of these. So the correct answer is B. Virulence is the capacity of a given strain of a microbial species to produce disease. Okay, let's see question number 48. Monoclonal antibodies are associated with the name of Werner, Medvar, and Milstein, Kohler, or Owen. So the correct answer is monoclonal antibodies are associated with the name of Burnett. Lederberg and Tatum 1946 described the phenomenon of conjunction transformation mutation plasmid. So correct answer is they described the phenomena of conjugation. Hanging drop method for motility study was first introduced by Robert Koch, Jenner, Louis Pasteur, and Leeuwenhoek. So the correct answer is Leeuwenhoek is the scientist which introduced the first hanging drop method for motility study. Electron microscope gives magnification up to 2000x, 50,000x, or 2 lakhs. So correct answer is the magnification power of electron microscope is 2 lakhs. Term vaccine was coined by Robert Koch, Pasteur, Needham, or none of these. So correct answer is the term vaccine was coined by Pasteur. B. The inventor of microscope is Galileo, Antony von Koch, or Pasteur. So the correct answer Antony von is the inventor of microscope. First Pasteur conduct fermentation experiment in milk, food material, fruit juice, or both A and C. So the correct answer is Pasteur conduct fermentation experiment firstly in fruit juices. Modern concept of chemotherapy was proposed by Paul Ehrlich, Joseph Lister, Eli Mechnikov, and none of these. So correct answer is Paul Ehrlich proposed the modern concept of chemotherapy. The role of phagocytosis was discovered by Paul Ehrlich, Joseph Lister, Eli Mechnikov, and Pasteur. So the correct answer is the role of phagocytosis was discovered by Eli Mechnikov. L forms are discovered by Kaelin Berger, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, and Antony von Leeuwenhoek. So the correct answer is Kaelin Berger discovered L form. The term bacteriophage was coined by options are D. Harrele, F.W. Todd, and Bejernik, or Janosky. So correct answer is D. Harrele coined the term bacteriophage. Viral infection of bacteria was discovered by options D. Harrele, W.F. Todd, Bejernik, or Janosky. So the correct answer is viral infection of bacteria was discovered by W.F. Todd. I cannot resolve any image less than 1 im, 2 im, or 5 im. I cannot resolve any image less than 5 im. 62. Compound microscope was discovered by A.B. Leeuwenhoek, Pasteur, Jensen, and Hens, or none of these. So the correct answer is compound microscope was discovered by Jensen and Hens. Electron microscope was discovered by Fruitfeds, Jensen and Hens, Knoll and Ruska, and none of these. So the correct answer is electron microscope was discovered by Knoll and Ruska. Magnification range of light microscope is 1000x to 5000x, 1000x to 2000x, 500x to 1000x, and none of these. So correct answer is the magnification range of light microscope is 1000 to 2000. Condensation of light in light microscope is by objective, condenser, ocular, and all of these. So correct answer is The condensation of light in light microscope is by condenser. 66. Light gathering capacity of microscopy is called numerical aperture, angular aperture, both A and B, and none of these. So the correct answer, numerical aperture. Numerical aperture is called light gathering capacity of microscope. If 10x and 40x objective are used, AR is the medium, the numerical aperture is options 1.5, 2.0, 1.0, 1.8. So the correct answer for if the 10x and 40x objectives are used, AR is the medium, the numerical aperture is 1.0. The ability of microscope to distinguish two objects into two separate objects is called resolving power, wavelength, NA, or none of these. So the correct answer is it is called resolving power. Resolving power, the ability of microscope to distinguish two objects into two separate objects. Okay, let's see second last question of this video, 769. Limit of resolution of compound microscope is 0.018 angstrom, 0.01 mm, 5 im, or 1 mm. So the correct answer is the limit resolution of compound microscope is 0.1 mm. And this is the last. The source of the light in fluorescence microscopy is from mercury lamp, sunlight, both A and B, and none of these. So the correct answer is mercury lamp is the source of light fluorescence microscopy. Okay, so we have seen the 35 question of microbiology. Hope you understand and liked it. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. And don't forget to join our Telegram group and follow our Instagram account for your better GPAT preparation. Links are in the description box. Click and connect with us. Thank you, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.